What's up, guys? It's Anatolia Talks.
What's good, you guys? Tish here.
We are at the Murrieta, California location today, and I think the girls are here. Hi! With everything on it.
Wow. Oh my goodness.
The gold
Can
emblem.
you just look at this? This is it looks Wonder Woman is my vibe, and so this is everything.
No, it's giving.
Oh my god.
Can you give us a rundown of
Yes,
like what
yes,
we did
yes.
on the car?
So I'm just now noticing that we have the PPF here,
Yes.
as you can see. So it's like I do a lot of long driving with what I do, and so I feel so much better knowing that there's protection here. The emblems are something that I'm very, very excited about. Like I
looks
said,
amazing.
Wonder Woman has been like, that's like major girl crush, and I feel like my car is giving Wonder Woman. Wow, the tint looks so good.
Yeah.
It looks so clean.
Was there any tint on it before?
Just the natural tint that's in the Tesla, like the back windows, but everything else looks so good. Like when I tell you I was driving in a fishbowl, I was driving in a fishbowl. There was like zero privacy whatsoever. It looks super clean. We have tint all around, also sun protection, which is something that I'm very, very adamant about. Being a golfer, like you have to always wear your sunscreen and you gotta protect yourself from the UV rays. And so I literally, before this, I would get tan from being in your car, my car being like panoramic, and so this is so awesome. And then I know that they added some PPF also along like the very corners of the doors, of the doors here, as you can see. And I love that you can barely see it. Basically, we corrected the wheels, so I may have had some curb rash, you know, some. I'm a really good driver, I really am. Just sometimes it's hard, but it's repainted, buffed, it's redone, it looks amazing. Again, the emblems look good. We also replaced the tires because your girls' tires were just, they weren't looking too good.
Time to go.
I also had a nail in one or something, I don't know what was going on, but we redid that as well. Wow, it just looks so good. And then it's also detailed inside and out. Oh, look at that!
Amazing.
Look at that! Look at that! I love it. I love it. I love the Tint World plate. You got it. I'm rocking it.
We're repping
We're
Murrieta.
rocking it. Okay, well, I'd love to check out the inside because I know that we also cleaned up in here. It looks so good! It looks so good. I mean,
that's awesome.
like
I didn't even know
if
it was
it's
a
done
thing.
right, it looks super good. And if it's done wrong, it's gonna look super tacky. But over here, literally everything is just done to the nines. It's just so well done. Everything looks so clean. I believe we got coating on the car as well.
Yes.
And so to protect the inside, and so that's something that like I'm always driving. I always have guests in my car too, and so knowing that I have that, no edits.
Yeah.
No edits here. Like,
No, it looks amazing.
This is it. It looks so good. It looks so good. It looks nice.
I think I need a red Tesla now.
Seriously, I'm like, I think I need to wow.
With the gold emblem.
Clean. And this is car. I was like, dang. I didn't even know a car can get this clean. It looks like he literally just bought the Tesla.
I asked him if she just got the Tesla, and he was like, no, she's had it for a while. I was like, it's that clean?
I'm saying, I was like, what? This is insane. We're supposed to be doing a trick shot for Tint World and I forgot the softball, so we're gonna run to Walmart, and I also don't have my nice new car, so we're gonna drive the Volkswagen. So sorry guys. I don't even know if you have chairs. Yeah. No, you don't need a tour of this car. It's okay. What is that? What is that? I'm not caring. I don't know. I'm not caring. I'm not touching it. Oh, it's diving gear. In case you just you know, in case you wanted some freaking flippers. You want some flippers? What the heck? A stick. It's a stick.
Oh look, golf carts. You think they got rubber balls?
No.
That way.
That way? Okay.
I love Homer.
Oh, okay, great. Yeah, these are the ones. Okay, great.
Ball secured. Don't try this at home, kids. Make sure you're getting all her pavement information. What is your PIN? What's your social security?
We're gonna try and hit through the window and potentially have someone else catch it through the window. So, we shall see how this goes.
Like me? Wait, I'm catching the balls?
Maybe.
Okay.
You
Takes like-
think you can get it?
God! God!
Oh!
This takes like...
Get it?
Did you get that?
I got it!
That was right in my throat.
Oh my god.
You didn't say right.
Mission accomplished.
Anything for Tint World.
She didn't even need to catch it. I just hit her in the throat and she had no choice but to catch it.
Okay.
So we're doing it again, but now with you sitting
Yeah.
even
I'm
safer.
just a test dummy at this point. So it's like get hit in the head, don't get hit in the head. Who knows what's gonna happen today? Can you tell me when you're gonna hit? What the?
Ready to go.